Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 S8. The S8 is one of Audi's flagship sedans, the top of the pile, the king of the mountain, and is priced below $145,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, driver adjustable suspension, height, power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, sports suspension, power brakes, braking assist. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.